Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Python programming. This is the complete course for 2026. Here we are going to learn about the Python from the scratch. This is the day 1. Here we will go from the basic installation and first program. So we'll go through the step by step process for that. And this is the goal of day 1. So here we'll understand what is the Python is, why this is popular, where it is used, and why you should learn it before writing your first program. So there is a table of content. So first we'll going through that. What is a programming? What is a Python? History of Python. What Python is so popular? Features of Python. Benefits of Python. Where Python is used. Real life examples. Python variables. Python keywords. How Python works. And Python applications. Companies using Python. And Python salary opportunities. Interview question and day 1 summary. And last we'll go through the homework. So we'll go through the step by step. So first we are going through the what is programming. Program means that giving instruction to a computer so that it can perform the specific task. Just like human understand English or Hindi, computer understand language, programming language. So you have to write the programming so that computer can understand what task you are going to perform. So example is that instead of saying calculate my monthly salary, you have to write the code to tell that computer exactly how to calculate it. Okay. Next is that what is Python? Python is the high level general purpose interpreted and object oriented programming language. It is one of the easiest programming language for the beginners. Python was designed for the make coding simple and readable. Official definition is that Python is an easy to learn programming language used for the creating website, AI application, automation script, games, desktop software, mobile application and data analysis. So this is the website of Python, python.org. We can open and we can see this one. So this is the website. In next videos, we'll download and we'll go through the step-by-step process to how to calculate, how to use the Python coding, how to use the pandas. So history of Python. So developer is that Udo van Rossum. So he is the developer. So released in year 1991 and current popular version in as per the 2026 there is a Python is running with the 3.x 3.14 approx. So fun fact is that Python is named after the comedy show, not on using the snake name. So Monty Python Flying Circus, it is not named after the snake. So next is the why learn Python. So Python is among the most popular programming language in worldwide. So reason easy to learn, easy syntax, huge community, free and open source, and cross platform. So it will run with the multiple platform just like Windows, Mac, Linux, and high salary jobs because of this is the you can write the automated script and this one AI application, automation script, games, desktop application, mobile application, data analysis. So nowadays is going with the data analysis, so you can go with this and powerful libraries. So there is a too many libraries is there. Next is the feature of Python. So easy to read. So Python code looks similar to English. So example, print hello world. So interpreted language, Python executes code line by line, no compilation required. Object oriented, support classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism. Next is the open source. So this anyone can download Python for free. So you no need to pay for the using the Python and cross-platform runs on the Windows, Linux, Mac without changing the code. Next is the large standard library. Python includes the thousands of the built-in modules. In example, the math, random, OS, date time. So these are the libraries. So there is a thousands of libraries are already there. If you want to use any mathematical term, you can use your math. So like that. So dynamically type. So no need to declare the variable type. such as name is equal to Chirag, age is equal to 25, salary is equal to 50,050. So benefit of Python is that automatically this will variable type. So Chirag is the string, so it will consider a string. Age is the int, so this is the int, and salary is the double, so this will consider as a double. So automatically it will assign the variable type. No need to declare that character Chirag like that. So benefits of Python. So there is a beginner friendly, simple syntax are there, and faster development, less coding, huge job market. Python developers are in demand. Automation, automate the repetitive work. AI and machine learning. Python dominates AI development. Data science, analyze the millions of record easily, and cloud computing using AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Where use where Python is used? Python is used everywhere. Web development. There is a best example is there you are using Instagram, Pinterest, so Spotify. So Instagram is using Python, Pinterest is using Python, Spotify is using part of backend. So framework, there is a famous framework is Django plus plus API, fast API. So these are the frameworks are available with the Python. Artificial intelligence used for the chatbot, image recognition, face detection, voice assistant. So for AI, you can use the Python. Libraries are there: TensorFlow, PyTorch, Skitlearn. Next is the machine learning. So machine learning application using the Python. So recommendation style, fraud detection, stock prediction. So for this, we can use the Python for the machine learning. Next, the data science. Data science used for the analyze, just like sales, customer data, and financial report. For this, you need a Python. So libraries are there. There is a Pandas library is there, NumPy, and Matplotlib. So these are the libraries you can use for the data science. Then next is the cyber security. So Python is used for the vulnerability scanning, ethical hacking, automation script. Library is the escape and request. Next is that database administration. Python can use the automate the database backup. Example, database backup, database monitoring, health checkup, performance reporting, user creation, data migration. So for that, we can use the Python. So supported databases are there: MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MS SQL, and this is the MongoDB. Next is cloud computing. So used in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. So now in automation, we can use the Python. So example is the rename 500 file automatically, send email, generate reports, backup database. So automation for that, we can use the Python. Desktop application. So we'll go through the ThinkTech, PyQuit. So these are the libraries. Game development, Pygame. Using the Pygame, you can develop the game. So real life example. So Netflix recommend movie using Python. Google uses Python for the automation. NASA uses Python for the scientific computing. Instagram backend uses the Python for the extendability. And YouTube automated script can be written using the Python. So Python version is that Python 2 is deprecated. Python 3 is the current version. So always learn Python from Python 3. So Python keywords are there: if, else, for, while, class, step, return, import, try, except, true and false. These have words have the special meaning, cannot use as a variable names. How Python works. So follow Python code in interpreter, bytecode, Python virtual machine, PVM, and output. So unlike compiled language, Python executes code through an interpreter, making development faster and easier. Python applications are you can build with the Python. So website, API, AI applications, machine learning models, chatbot, automation tool, desktop software, mobile apps with the suitable framework, games, IoT application, robotics, database management tools. So top companies using the Python, there is a Google, Microsoft, Meta, Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, Dropbox, Reddit, Uber, NASA. So these are the companies using the Python. So career opportunities is there. So Python school can be lead the roles such as the Python developer, backend developer, data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, AI engineer, automation engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, cyber security engineer, and database administrator, automation and scripting. So interview questions, it will be like that. Who created the Python? Python compiler interpreted. Each Python is free. So like that, you can get the question from anywhere, and you have to learn. And advanced level, you have to go with the programming. Next videos, you will see about the programming, installation, configuration, and variable type, data type, and all the things. So day one summary, we have completed about the Python and homework. Just go through this. What is Python? Who created the Python? Write five real world use cases of the Python. So these are the homework. So what is the next? In day two, we'll going through the installation Python on Windows 11, installing Visual Studio Code, installing the Python extension, setting up the development environment, running your first Python program, understanding the Python interactive shell RPL, and this one creating and executing your first program with the extension .py file. So this will prepare you to start writing programming code from the scratch. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the fair use section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail you on this email address chiragmathur@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.